Hi, my name's Kevin Hennah. I've worked with libraries now for over 20 years on design, reinvigorations and strategies to maintain relevance. I also work with a team at Merchandising Libraries, helping to make sure that their products meet the practical needs of libraries. Well, I've worked with libraries long enough to know that there's often a lot of things that we need to hide or sometimes play down, be it a messy back room, a workroom, or sometimes just providing a little bit more privacy inside of a public space like a meeting room. These vinyl graphics are a great way of achieving that end. In this instance, Merchandising Libraries have applied a high-resolution print onto clear vinyl, allowing you to self-install these graphics. Now, that may sound really difficult, but in fact, you just need to check out the Merchandising Libraries website for some insight in how to install these yourself. And believe me, it's a lot simpler than it looks. Now, this is just one example that I was kind of keen on, the green tropical graphics, but there is a whole host more. Or you could also come up with your own concepts. If you find the artwork, they'll produce whatever meets your needs. I'd also like to show you another of my favourites over here. I love fonts, so I think this is the perfect choice to create this barcode of text that can wrap around any window. Now, you simply need to tell them how many metres and what you'd like written. That could be author names, it could be words of cultural significance to you, it could be learner profiles, absolutely anything. And again, this does look pretty difficult to apply, but Merchandising Libraries do provide you with a positioning template. So like with all the vinyl graphics, in fact, all of their products, things are a lot easier than they look. So good luck dressing your windows and adding either a sense of theatre or playing down that thing that you don't really want people to see.